Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a coupon or promo code for Chegg. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to open up a web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google, and now for Chegg I'm going to be purchasing a textbook on Chegg. So this works for anything, but for this demonstration with the textbooks. So I'm going to head on over to chegg.com and go to books. Now I'm going to scroll down, and if I want to buy or hire any one of these textbooks, so for this demonstration I'm going to do the Psychology 10th edition. So I'm going to click on the e-textbook. I'm going to put this into my cart. So if I scroll down, you can see a bit more about the book. You can buy from $15.99. You've got $21 refund guarantee. All right, and now I'm going to add this to cart. And now once you're inside the cart, you'll have a little coupon section down below. I've already added it in. So it says here, coupon applied at checkout. So you can review your order here. So I'm just going to remove this one here. And now I'm going to go to checkout. You might get this if you need to confirm you're human, so press and hold. After this, it'll take you to the checkout section, and that's where you can apply your coupon. There'll be a coupon spot, so just look for it at the checkout page.